Amazing codfish fishing vessels. Cod fishing. The process for fishing the codfishes begins with the automated boats that are sailing on the heart of the seas. The nets are thrown in the seas in the specified locations that are determined by successful past experiences. These fish are mostly caught live, but sometimes pulling the net for long can also cause their death. It becomes necessary sometimes to pull it late because of the trolling in depth. Similarly, the trawling can cause various damages to the sea habitats such as the corals and fish. The nets are pulled once the workers feel that the net is heavier and the prey in the shape of fish are kept on the boat until their life freezes. Atlantic cod are found in the North Atlantic Ocean. In the Eastern Atlantic, they occur from the Barents Sea in Northern Europe to the Bay of Biscay off France and around Iceland. In the Western Atlantic, they're distributed from Greenland to Cape Hatteras in North Carolina. The workers are divided into several tasks to smooth the operations of the overall process. Workers continue the operations until twilight and return to the shipyard. The fish are then unloaded from the boats at the shipyard and taken to the next stop by automated loaders. A great number of these fish are hung in order to dry them through sunlight. As you can see in the video, you can easily grasp these workers are enjoying it by capturing photos of the fish in giant sizes. Similarly, then these fish are also buried in salt so that they can bestow a new blend in their taste. Additionally, the fish that newly come to the processing plant are escalated in several series, including their initial cutting to make them cleaner, and then similar to other fish, these are kept in salt for enhancing their flavor. Cod Fillet Processing. Fish are accumulated in a hopper and weighed. The filleting line is distributed with an available operator in several batches. The tracks of incoming weight and distribution are controlled and monitored by Innova. The machine is designed with controllable speed operators. The workers are provided with illumination in every workstation. The bond frames are sent to the collecting tub, and after they're discharged, these are kept in a collected tub. 2 release buffers are attached for the workstation for the products meant for the fish. It contains 2 buffers for one of the offcut and the other for the bond frames. The trim is accumulated in the bin before releasing them on the conveyor and weighing. In order to calculate the individual yields, the trim batches are dropped on the dynamic scale. After weighing the offcut, it's accumulated in the tub. The conveyor belt is used to release the final product. The main product is weighed on the dynamic scale. The main product reaches to the packing grader from the flow line. The software Innova can identify that from which workstation the product is being originated. The quality inspection is done by delivering samples to the quality station, where the inspectors can easily detect quality defects. The quality inspector can send individual messages to the data terminal at ease. Boxes are kept for placing on several table scales. The workers are supposed to pack the product as demonstrated by the table scale. Similarly, once the targeted quantity is reached, the worker orders labels for the packages. The packed boxes are lifted by the belt to the takeaway section. Remember the fishmonger next time you go for grocery shopping. As you can see how modern machinery in the fishing industry has made the process so smooth, and most of the workers enjoy what they're doing with greater efficiency and effectiveness, while making it more productive for themselves, and so for the organization they're working for. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Give a thumbs up to this video so we can know you're supporting us and valuing our efforts. And lastly, let us know in the comments section where you're watching from.